Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a phone, Samsung Galaxy A71. For this we will need isopropyl alcohol, 100%, 99% purity, so that it evaporates after cleaning, so it does not damage the phone, so it does not cause any short circuits. You will also need a brush, a longer one, so it can reach into the port, with bristles that are a bit stiffer, so that it can pull out the dirt. If you don't have one, you can use a toothbrush with medium or soft bristles. And we also have these little plastic tools that will help us pull things out. Dust, if any, has appeared in the port. We printed these ourselves on a 3D printer, but you can easily buy them on Allegro or anywhere else. Everyone prints these for themselves. And now I'll show you everything. First, we spray a bit on the brush with alcohol thoroughly so that it's nice and wet. We lift the phone up and steadily clean the phone. Of course, the phone must be completely turned off. Be sure to remember that. First a few times in one direction, then a few times in the other direction. Press firmly so that the whole brush goes inside, into the port. And so it cleans out the dirt that's at the very end of the port. Once we've cleaned it a bit like that, 5 to 6 times in each direction, or even 10 times in each direction, you could say, we can take this little plastic stick and use it. This is plastic, of course, not metal, so we don't damage anything. Into the port. We insert it all the way in and move it around. If there were any dust, this little plastic stick would let us remove it at this point. We do the same thing on the other side. We push it all the way in and pull it out. Like I said, if there was any dust, it would come out with this little plastic stick, because the tip of this plastic stick is specially twisted, kind of roughened, so that it can pull the dust out of the socket for us. After playing around with the plastic stick, we go back to the brush and run it through a few more times in both directions. And now the socket is clean. We set the phone aside and leave it for about 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate, to avoid any problems with charging, and so on. So we leave it for 10 minutes, and then we can use the phone as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. See you in the next video.